So as Sander said, I'm Tom Bradley from DN Capital. We're a London-based VC. So I think of our business a little bit like a startup as well. I mean, we've been around for about 10 years, but we're a tiny team. We've been through the fundraising cycle too, Emmy. So we raised the first fund in 2001. Tough time to put it together. Second fund we raised in 2007. Again, market backdrop was difficult, so we feel some of your pain, and we have some empathy for your business. But no, our fund is about focus. We invest in software, we invest in e-commerce, and we invest in digital media, and that's it. That's all we do. And we do that because we think that's where we're strongest, where we understand the subject matter, but also where we can bring our network into play. So we devote a huge amount of our time, and we give everybody on the team objectives to expand and nurture the DN network. We communicate with database of literally thousands of people that we try to bring into play to help our companies to be successful. And we think by being highly specialized in the areas that we invest in, so we can bring extra value to the companies that we do invest in. And just to give you some numbers around the business, so as I said, the current fund is 50 million euros, so it's a small fund. We are investors in great teams at any stages. I mean, I think for us, it is all about the entrepreneur. People make things happen. So the basic business should be strong, but it's the people that solve problems that we really want to get behind. The only thing that we know when we go into an investment is it won't work out exactly like it was written down in the business plan, and we need to be backing teams, and we like working with people that have the flexibility to adapt to those situations. So strong teams, focus sectors, and in many cases global ambitions as well. And at the early stage, we like to be close to our teams. But we've set our business up to be able to support people with global ambitions. So we're European headquartered. We invest across Europe out of London. We also have an office in Palo Alto in California. We invest directly in US companies, but the majority of the European investments that we make, we will assist those companies in taking their business to the US, in locating talent, in locating customers, in locating business partners in those markets. We invest across a range, so 250,000 euros is kind of entry level for us. And I met several people this morning who said, so we're probably not ready for you yet. What I would say to all of you with startups here is, so you should let us be the judge of that. So we will back strong teams at any stages. So please do get in touch if you fit into the sector focus that we have. A large deal for us, 3 to 5 million euros, and so there's a significant commitment. So the largest investments that we make will be in companies with maybe 10 to 20 million euros of turnover. It kind of gives the range that we like. I don't know what else I can tell you today. I mean, I think the portfolio of companies that we've assembled probably describes best what we do, and we say to all of the entrepreneurs that we work with that you should talk to portfolio company CEOs to better understand how DN Capital operates. Venture capital is very much a people business. You don't really buy a brand in venture capital. You buy an individual who you invite into a relationship of some sort with you, whether that's as marriage, as a brother, as a cousin, or however you want to describe it. But the venture capitalist that you choose to bring into your business is someone who's going to sit at your board table, who's going to be on the phone to you, once or twice a week, who's going to be there and should be someone that you want to turn to when you have a challenge in your business, when you have adversity that you need to face. You want the VC to be the person that you want to call. You don't want to be in a situation where you just want to take the capital from that person. That's fine while things are successful, but nothing is successful without having hiccups along the way. And if you have one of those businesses, would be great to talk to you about it. But it's very rare to find them. So thank you all for listening. We have a few seconds if anyone does have a question, but so I'll be around for the rest of the day and very happy to talk to anyone about how we operate and to provide more detail. Please. No, we've never asked teams to move. We've never made that a condition of our investment. I mean, I think our experience shows that, particularly at the very early stage, that it is better when we're able to be, say, to be located physically close to the teams. So it is easier for us to do seed investments in the UK. That's not to say that we only do seed investments in the UK. But typically, where we make those investments, we like to partner with another fund or a group of individuals. It provides more network, more capital for the company. It also reduces the risk for the company. But so by doing that, then we can be a part of a financing round where someone should be close to you here in Amsterdam. So. I don't know your business. We should talk afterwards. But as I say, we would happily seed fund Dutch businesses, but we would usually look to do that with a local partner as part of the financing round. Thank you.
Thank you very much.